Hi friends, today I am going to explain about how to connect Cassandra from Presto. So yesterday I was uploaded video regarding how to install Presto and how to configure. If you people didn't see, I will give in that video link in my cards. You can check there. So coming to today's topic. So let me open my cluster. So these three nodes I have configured yesterday. So let me go to UI. So I have three active worker nodes. So now let me go to tools. So I will explain configurations. Yesterday what I have done for connecting for installing and configuration of Presto. So all configurations I will show you one by one. uh, this is config.properties. This is the main file. Here you can see this is a configuration we have to give. So these are minimum configurations. We have so many configurations, those we can add based on our requirement. So I will explain here. Coordinator, this node has act as a coordinator if you give a true. So node hyphen scheduler dot include hyphen coordinator equal to true means this will this node, whatever node we configure here a true, that node is going to act as a worker node also. So HTTP server, HTTP dot port number, what port number we want to uh, run this server, that is the port number 8080. This is we can change according to our requirement. So I'm giving by default it will be 8080. We can change if we want. So query dot max memory, this is I'm giving 6 GB based on your system configuration. You can give whatever, that's it, whatever uh, configuration you can give that type of configuration here. Coming to query max memory per node, here I am giving 512 MB because mine is a very less, I allocated to this VM, so that's why I'm giving 512 MB. So query max total per node is 1 GB I am giving. So discovery hyphen server dot enable equal to true. This is a coordinator node. That's why this should be discoverable for worker nodes. So that's why I'm giving true. So this is a discovery URI. What this URL is we have to provide, how we can able to um, search, or how we can able to discover this one, that part I'm giving here. So this is my node IP, this is a port number, that is a HTTP or HTTPS. I didn't configure any SSL configuration for my Presto server, that's why I am giving HTTP. So if you people want to HTTPS also, you people can configure that, have another 2 3 extra steps will be there, those I'm not covering here. So you can check in site, those are available. So that's it friends. So this is the config dot properties. Coming to jvm dot properties, sorry, jvm dot config. So in jvm.config I am giving 2 GB of heap memory. So usage is 1 GB of GC, uh, and my heap region size is 32 MB I am giving. If people based on your requirement, you can change this one to till 96 MB also, more than also, but maximum as of now I saw the 96 MB. So these all are according to our JVM. We can change, we can add also. These are required things, minimum required things. And this is also required now. That is while starting it gave error and it suggested to add this one also. So that's why we added jdk dot attach dot allow attach self equal to true. This should be true. So this is the JVM configuration. Coming to log, I don't think so much here. Let me show you. See, this is a simple. This is a same for all. We no need to change or anything. That will be same. Coming to node configuration. See here, friends. Node environment. Node.environment should be in small letter. This is a case sensitive. If we give a caps, definitely it will throw error. So node ID, our wish, whatever we can give. This is like a kind of hexadecimal format. So our wish, not only hexadecimal, you can give whatever node ID you feel you can give. And this is the node dot data directory. This is the location I am loading data. So that's why these three are the node dot properties file. That's it. These are the four files are required for Presto configuration. That's it, friends. Configuration. Coming to catalog. In catalog, we have all the catalogs like kind of. For example, now I am going to connect to Cassandra. So I have to give Cassandra connectivity details here. So all connectivity details, uh, which DB we are going to connect, all DB connection details should be configured under etc slash catalog location. So here I am going to configure my Cassandra connectivity details. So this is mainly today's topic. So this is simply friends, this is no use at all. We are not going to use anyway, so let it be. That is not at all a problem. So coming to today's, I am going to give my connectivity details. Cassandra dot properties. So any file if you are configuring, that should be dot properties. Whatever name you are giving, that is the catalog name. That is user defined Cassandra or whatever. I am giving, I am going to connect with Cassandra, that's why I am giving Cassandra. So in Cassandra we have 5 clusters. So that time we can give e cluster name also, because all are Cassandra only. So that time we have to divide it into 5 clusters. Same name it will not allow. That's why we have to give cluster name. For example, I have cluster 4, Cassandra 4 cluster, Cassandra 4 cluster dot properties. That I can give whatever name. That is not at all a problem, but extension should be dot properties. That should be mandatory. So this is the name I am going to give. So that's why I am going to configure my Cassandra details. So here I have already prepared all the steps, friends. This is the steps I am giving. So let me copy it to here and explain to you one by one. So see here, connector name, what I am giving Cassandra. So this is the connector name. Connector name dot contact points. So Cassandra dot contact point I am giving here. So these are the connecting points in the sense my DC details. See, this is a uh, one IP and this is another IP. This is third IP. So I'm going to connect unode 4, unode 5, unode 6. These three IP address belongs to these three nodes. That's why I provided here these three nodes. So this is commented. If it is a change other than this partitioner, you have to enable and you have to mention that partitioner name, otherwise no need. So Cassandra dot fetch size, this is the fetch size. So minimum, not minimum, this is a maximum or minimum, whatever. 1000 is the limit, fetch size is the limit. So 1000 records only it will fetch. So Cassandra dot consistency hyphen level, what consistency level we are going to uh, mm, so here I'm giving local one. So username password, my username password is Cassandra. So Cassandra I provided here. This is admin username password. So if you people want to give based on your requirement, for example, some user should only select the data. For example, uh, he should not modify my data. Then you can create a one user with only read permissions. That username password you can provide here. That is the uh, that way you can restrict changes in your DB. So this is so again a consistency level two times. So let me comment one. So this is a load DC aware policy, true, and DC aware DC. So this is a DC, my DC name, and token aware true, and port number. For example, native protocol port. Native protocol port. This is by default is 9042. It will automatically take if you give or not, means that is not at all a matter. If by default it will take 90442 is the port number, Presto will automatically take. For example, if you have changed 90422 to some other, then we have to uncomment this one and we have to provide that particular port number. Otherwise, this will uh, try to connect for 9042. That time, if that is not equal, then it will fail while connecting Cassandra. So this is my Cassandra is SSL enabled. So that's why I have given these three steps. See, you can see here. This is enabled true. If my Cassandra is SSL enabled, then we have to provide true. And trustor path, I given here my trustor path, and then trustor password. I have provided here my trustor password. These are the minimum required things to connect SSL enabled Cassandra cluster. If your Cassandra is not enabled SSL, you no need of these three steps. So you can connect without these steps also for your cluster without SSL. That's it, friends. Now we'll try to connect from um, CLI. So let me show you how to connect. go to bin. So here I have CLI jar. So jar is coming like this. So I'm just my um, compatible uh, mm, my comfortness for I'm changing, I'm moving this one to just Presto or Presto CLI, or otherwise Presto hyphen CLI. I am just I don't want to paste complete thing, that's why I'm just moving like this. So now you can see this is a Presto CLI. So now I am going to uh, connect Presto through Presto CLI. So now let me check first Presto is running or not. So already we checked. So three worker nodes are running. So we no need to check once again. So now let me connect. So hyphen server. So where server is running. For example, server is running local. So you can give local host and port number. What is the port number? Our server is running with which port number? So if it is running same server, you can give localhost, or otherwise you have to provide complete URI or URL. So this way we can just connect to Presto server through Presto CLI. Let me, so I connected Presto. So now if I want to run uh, for example, if I want to run select query, so select star from which table I want to connect, which DB I want to connect, that all the details means DB details and all we can, means we already provided in catalog location Cassandra dot properties. So that is the file we have prepared for connecting my Cassandra cluster only one DC, that is 456. So let me give first catalog name Cassandra. So this is my catalog name dot. Now this is a connection, it is going to connect my Cassandra, and then which schema I am giving employee, which table, now table name. So this is the way. So first one is Cassandra, and second one, this is a catalog name. First one is the catalog name. After dot, it is a schema name, and then table name. So now enter. Okay. So you people able to see catalog Cassandra does not exist. Why this message is coming? See, simply friends, everybody will show you Presto connectivity with single node. Single node, you people can able to connect easily, but in multiple nodes, some restrictions is in multiple nodes, it will be difficult. See here, we already created Cassandra catalog, but it is saying Cassandra catalog does not exist. Why? Because I will tell you. See here, properties. S is missing. So let me move MV this one to this one. Okay. Now we can see here it's started. Other than that, I don't think so any issue now. So let it be. So one node is added. So again down. So again up. So no need to worry. So this time definitely 3 will be up. If something goes wrong, this will not take this much time to go down. So now everything is fine. So now let me. So friends, now I am going to connect Presto CLI with the Presto server. So server, I am connecting with the local host, same server. That's why I'm giving local host. I will show you with the URI also. Local host colon 8080 is my port number. So I am connecting with this. So this is I want to run. So let me show you. Failed 3 nodes. Split 33 done. So failed. Kodak not found the requested operation. Apache Cassandra DB Marshall dot simple date type and com dot Cassandra driver dot core dot local date. Let me connect with the catalog. So same I am going to connect with catalog hyphen hyphen sorry catalog space Cassandra is my catalog name. So now I connected catalog, use employee, so employee is using, so DESC EMP details. So this is our so let me select a star from EMP details. So some date column having some issue. Let me select EMP ID from this. We'll see. So see here it is running. So let me select some date issue is there, I think, comma department, comma this one, comma this one, and from here. So I'm able to connect all. If I select at least one date column, might be having some issue. I think we'll see. If I select date column, so some date column issue is there. So so connectivity is working, friends. The problem here is some date issue. So date is not selecting, so date column having some issue, so let it be. I will figure out later. So our motive is connecting Cassandra from Presto. So now I am able to connect and I am able to run a query also. So you can see this way also we can connect, and catalog, without catalog we can also uh, connect. So let me show you. So this way, so use Cassandra dot. So see, we cannot see here it is saying catalog must be specified when the session catalog is not set. So here only we have to give a catalog, otherwise we can't set a catalog inside the Presto. Once connected, we cannot set. So if we give before, so this is connected to Cassandra catalog. If you want to run uh, other means, it is very difficult, or if we have to provide particular catalog name, otherwise it will by default it will take Cassandra catalog. So here if we provided a catalog, it will connected to this catalog automatically. If we run here, for example, use system underscore auth, sorry, uth. So it is a select a star from roles. So I selected like this. So if 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 we give catalog here, if you give catalog here, it will automatically go to Cassandra catalog and it will fetch the details. If you want to connect any other, you should give particularly that catalog name dot Cassandra dot catalog name Cassandra dot schema name system authentication dot table name roles. So now for example, if I didn't give any catalog, so now what I have to do, select star from Cassandra dot system dot roles. So now also we'll get to same result, but it is going it we can connect this way particular table. This is the one way. If we are going to connect without catalog, we have to provide inside. Every time we have to provide catalog. This is the must and should. That's it friends, in this session. That's it friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.